Hey guys, welcome to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show my Oversteer collection. So this set I have bought like a couple of years back. All these GTRs. So you can see it's not a toy brand. So this is a purely a display models. So you can see all these details on the back and some tarmac works type of packaging. So I got four GTRs, Nissan GTRs. Those are my first ever oversteer castings, and then I bought these four. This is Toyota CHR, which is beautiful casting, and all these three Mazdas. This is Mazda CX-5 SUV, and this is um, Mazda 6 car in Australia, but it says Avenza or something. So that's what it called in Asia, I guess. So in this video, I'm not going to show these four castings. So this video is purely about GTRs, Nissan GTRs. All right. So here's the four castings. I bought these ones from Japan Booster a while ago. So let's open these ones one by one. So again, as I said before, these are not toys. These are higher display models. So this has the Tarmac Works type of display box with the cardboard cover. So you can see all those details on the top. And on this side, you can see all these names and the licensing. This is GTR Nismo 2014 model. So the bottom is plain. And let's open this one. Yep. Came out of the cardboard cover. And there you go. Crystal clear acrylic box with the plastic base. Oh, look at this casting. Wow, beautiful. Let's open this one. And there you go. The base is plastic. It doesn't have any texture or design like Tarmac Works, but it's just a plain black. So just give me a sec. I'll open all four cars and then review one by one. All right, there you go. So these are the four models. Let's check on the white one first. So there you go. So you can see all these highly detailed items. Plastic front lights, GTR logo. Check the sides. Wow, beautiful. So the wheels are rolling, but it's not like Hot Wheels rolling. It's just normal rolling stuff because these are not made to play. Wow, beautiful. And check this base. It's just a plain base, but you know that's understandable. So it's not perfectly rolling, but it's doing its job, I guess. I think that's because the wheelbase is too low, So to make these cars more realistic, they have to get these actual dimensions. So it's very hard to make these as rolling models. So recently I saw the Tarmac Works owner's live video. So that's what one of the things that he said is it's very difficult to make them roll because they have to get these exact proportions. Anyway, that's nothing to worry about. And if you close the check, you can see the disc as well, brake disc. But I can't see the brake caliper anyway. So you can see the disc through the rim. So that's blackish rim. It's very beautiful. And check this out. Check this red one. Wow, it's highly detailed model. I think it's identical to the other color variation. So if you closely check, you can see the interior as well. See the red bucket seats. Oh my goodness! Wow, beautiful casting. Again, it's identical to the previous version. Oh, there's a small loose thing on the rear wing, but I need to stick it anyway. Wow, beautiful model. Let's check the other one. All right, so this is my favorite model out of these four. This thing is a metallic colored version. It has that red trim in the bottom, so side skirting, so it gives a perfect look to the car. Again, it's similar as the previous two versions. It's just a color variation. Wow, check the grill. It has that tough look with those two red teeth, and wow, beautiful. So these Oversteer castings, I think they are Japanese brand or something. But anyway, this is a highly underrated model among the collectors. Maybe because they might not done many castings regularly, or it's not that popular among the castings because they had to compete with all the other brands such as Tomica Limited Vintage, Kyosho, etc. So this is the black one. I suppose this is my least favorite one because it's very hard to take photos. This thing is a very metallic black, so it always has that reflection. So yeah, so let's compare these two again. So if you guys closely check, it's same. It's the same. There's no difference. Yeah, front similar. Side mirrors is just the same. Inside, I think the interior is similar as well. Wow. Anyway, I'm a GTR lover, so if you check my Instagram page, you know how much I love GTRs. Actually, I haven't driven a GTR, but I have been inside the cabin, so that's a win anyway. So there you go. So here's the just a comparison to show you that everything's same, you know. Wow, beautiful. So talking about the price, I bought these ones around 20 bucks each. So I got this free shipping thing as well. So Japan Boost ships gives the free shipping offer if you spend 50 bucks or more. So that's a win. Wow, beautiful. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll take some photos and upload it to my Instagram page. So if you haven't subscribed me, please subscribe me here, share and like my videos. I'll do these Mazda and the Toyota videos soon. So stay tuned. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.